Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We have had a lot of questions regarding the Outlaw. No wonder that, because it's world's strongest lead bar. And today we're really going to show you how it performs. We're going to show you here on a straight path in the middle of nowhere. We have a 2 kilometer long straight path. We're going to show you the real power of the Outlaw. Today we're going to present the Outlaw 22-inch and an Outlaw 32-inch to give you an idea of how powerful it really is. I'm here, we have brought the caddy. The caddy is an old beauty. We have had it almost since the start of Strands. Every year we try to patch it up. It's a reminder of where we come from, you know. We built this from zero. We started 2012 with an idea, with a mission and with a vision that is feel the passion for every driver every day. So this is a great reminder from those times when we try to do everything from scratch, you know. To be with you on this YouTube channel, we have come across a lot of great feedback. So you give us a lot of insight in how we should develop the product and also what you need from the product. So I'll try to show you that during the video and give you some nice commentary so you understand what we are doing, how we are testing. But I need to give you a heads up. When we're talking about Outlaw, that is a real Outlaw product. So the power usage of the Outlaw is a beast. You know, we use 280 watt in a 22-inch. Yeah, it's real 280 watt usage power, not theoretical. It is usage. And the 32-inch, yeah, it is massive. It's 480 watt that you use. So when you hook it up to your vehicle, make sure you have the right harness, make sure you have the right cables, yeah, fuses. You need to have all those things right on your car so you can install it, because this is an Outlaw product, not a standard product. So if you drive with this, it's on your own risk if you want to become an Outlaw. Okay, as you see now, it's getting darker and darker quick here. So we need to get the setup ready to show you the test, and I have the lucky job to go and measure the distance. So I will get started and I'll see you in a bit. I got the best idea ever, you know, too lazy to walk, you can use this instead. So see you in a while. Okay guys, so now that we have measured the road distance, took a while and it's getting really dark. We're going to perform the test today at 1,200 meters to be exact. The Outlaw 22-inch has one LUX in just above 1,200 meters. The idea behind this comes from a viewer of us that say, okay, can you really show me the light on the distance? And that's what we're going to do today basically. So join us and we will just hook up the Outlaw and join us. So what we're going to use today, we have built an easy rig here just to give exact measurements every time we will measure. This rig here we will fit in the Outlaw, so we get a steady beam pattern, and this one we use, this type of setup we use often when we test the bars, just to get the same view all the time. And also, as I said, power-wise, we need to use the caddy, so there will be some noise in the background when we test it, because we need to really create some electricity to make this happen. Otherwise, we will stand here without battery sooner than we wish for. Okay, so with the Outlaw you have 4 cables. You have ground, plus, and then you have a white or yellow for the position light. Siberia Outlaw, of course, come with dual position light. Let's get this party started. We just put on the power and we'll see the beam. Wow! I'm always this excited when you see the Outlaw. You know, this is a 22-inch lead bar. It is, you know, you remember the road is 1,200 meters. This push like crazy. Do you see? I wish you were here to see also the width. You know, on 200 meters you have a 40-meter wide beam. This is unique. Yeah, I'm shocked every time. When we developed this light, we didn't believe it was possible to make this type of beam pattern. You know, the stretch is 1,200 meters, as you saw on the measurement wheel. Wow. Now we will see how far we can go with the lux meter to measure it, to show you the effect. Okay guys, I'm almost in tears, you know. I'm so, you know, for me light is porno, you know, it's my passion. And here we are on 1,200 meters and we have over 1 lux on 1,200 meters. We are outside, handhold lux meter, you know. This is unbelievably good. I cannot even speak anymore. I'm so happy, you know, that this is wow. And now it will be very exciting to see when we put on the 32-inch Outlaw to see how that performs. (1,300 meter, 1.36 lux, outside, real field test. This is as good as it's gonna be, you know. This is world's strongest lead bar. I want to see you to do this test again, show me a better result with another bar. Wow, I dare you. If you measure that and you can do it, you will win or get an Outlaw from me. And you see this, like you can read a newspaper here without a problem. Wow, you know, boom. I'm so happy that you joined us for this channel, you know. For me, I love lights, that's my passion. Wow. You surely wonder, how can we do these videos? I have not shown you the crew that is really making this possible. Here's one guy, this is Victor Vigan.
Hello.
He's the guy that makes all the rigs, all the installation happening. And now you cannot see the lady behind the camera, but it's Annie. And also we have to give a shout out to the whole team at Strands. You make a fantastic job and we really appreciate to have you with us, but most of all we appreciate you drivers. You are the passionate users of our products, so please keep on giving us your comments, info on what you need and what you want for us to boost your passion.